Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make pink pickled ginger for sushi. Start with young ginger, as it's more tender and often has those lovely pink tips naturally. Carefully peel the ginger, then slice it as thinly as possible. This thinness is key for the pickling process and ensures a delicate texture. Aim for slices that are almost translucent, about 1/16 of an inch thick. After slicing, lightly salt your ginger and let it rest for about 30 minutes. This crucial step helps to draw out excess moisture and soften the ginger's strong flavor. Next, quickly blanch the ginger in boiling water for just 30 seconds, then immediately drain it. This further tenderizes the ginger and prepares it for the pickling liquid. Now let's create the pickling liquid. In a small saucepan, combine 1 cup of rice vinegar, 1/2 cup of sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Gently heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring constantly until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Remember, you don't want to boil it, just warm it enough to dissolve the sugar. Finally, carefully pack your blanched ginger into a clean, sterilized jar. Pour the warm pickling liquid over the ginger, making sure every piece is completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and let it cool to room temperature before refrigerating. For the best flavor and that beautiful pink hue, allow it to pickle for at least 24 hours before enjoying with your favorite sushi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.